the first official record of where it all began. Clyde 70476 was one of the most intelligent beings in the entire universe. It was him who reached into the government mainframe and discovered the secrets of how to destroy what was once thought to be invincible. With this knowledge, Clyde had a secret that he desperately wanted to share.
Hey, is that you?
Yes, it's me. Be quiet, Roach. Two beetle hides and one YOX voice.
Here you go, sir. That's 746 credits.
Thanks, Roach.
How long have you lived on these streets?
My whole life. Now let go or I'll scream.
I will. Only if you promise to listen to what I have to say.
Fine, but after that I'm done. I'm stronger than you think.
So just tell me already.
First, would you be willing to do a job for me?
So you think just because I'm a street rat that means I'll do your dirty work?
No. I see intelligence behind those eyes. You could have stolen everything if I was some nobody.
Alright, and can I get you two started off with any drinks tonight?
I will have a Miranda with 2 scored berries.
I can have anything.
Anything you want.
I'll have a clocking spiel.
Well, not that. We'll just have 2 water tonics.
Alright, 2 water tonics, and I'll be right back.
So here's what I brought you for. There is a resistance building against the Jupiter government.
That's old news. Their protests are doing nothing.
You follow the news. Well, what you don't know is that I have plans to get into the Overseer's palace. With these, we can stop the government.
They're gonna have like 600 guards in there. And you want me to what? Break into the palace? You're crazy.
I'm too well known in these parts. I need someone to smuggle these to the resistance.
I wasn't born yesterday. The resistance will probably kill me on sight.
Not if you have this.
How much?
The resistance has agreed to pay 150,000 credits for the job. I will give you half that.
Here are your water tonics.
Thank you, sir. Stop. Our drinks have been poisoned.
Don't move! Or you end up like that old fool.
Where's the resistance?
708 Carfax. Run. The Overseer knows who you are now. Take this.
You better be right about this, old man.
I have a secret to tell you. I've been monitoring you for months. It's why I knew your route in the market. It's also why I allowed you to steal from me. It's also why I know you have what it takes to...
That was the first moment that led to April's rise in the resistance. Years from now, there would be legends told, books sold, and a new movement born. But that is a story for another time.